Hi friends! We are going to talk about the letter of the week, and this week our letter is J, but I'm going to move it so you can see it a little bit better. J, letter J. Okay. J makes the J sound. J. Can you try? J. All right, let's see some things that start with letter J. Look, jungle. Jungle starts with J. Jungle has lots of trees, wet floors, some grass, and it has lots of different animals. Jellyfish also starts with J. Jellyfish. Do you guys know what that is? A jacket. Jacket starts with J. Jacket. What's that? Juice. Juice starts with J. Juice. What's that animal? A jaguar. It kind of looks like a couple different animals, but this one's a jaguar. You can tell by the spots that it has on it. Jaguar starts with J. All right, now we're going to see if you can find the letter J. Where's the J? This one or this one? Let's see. There it is, right there. Good job. Let's try another one. Where's J? There it is. If you said that one, you got it right. J. What about here? Where's J here? There it is. What about here? Where's J? There it is. Ooh, this one has 4 letters. See if you can find where J is. There it is. What about this one? Where's J? There it is. Good job if you got it right. If not, it's okay. Just keep practicing. Alright, that was the end of our letter for the week. I hope you guys got to learn a lot about the letter J. And remember, J makes the J sound.